Good morning. You are listening to Punit Narang, your news anchor of Lava Farah Media. Here we bring your latest update news from around the world. India again rejects China claim over Galwan. Another round of talks accepted on Friday. No compromise on safety concern. Government on August 15 COVID vaccine deadline. 18-year-old becomes the richest boy by making money online. How gangster Vikas Dubey reached Ujjain from Kanpur after shootout. Main Vikas Dubey, Kanpur wala gangster get tight slap from MP cop during arrest. COVID live some localized outbreak but no community transmission yet, government says. Has Sushant Singh death by suicide triggered vulnerable to commit suicide? We asked expert. MHA allow NIA to probe Trivandrum airport gold smuggling case. CISCE to announce ICSC and ISC result on July 10. Evolving situation keeping abreast with info from WHO Health Ministry on if coronavirus may airborne. Indian Army bans daily hunt, Facebook, Truecaller and 86 other apps for soldier officers. Commandos deployed in Kerala, Purnartha as COVID-19 cases surge in coastal belt. Eye on China. Government plans to hike budget allocation for Bibro. First chest live. Holder takes 6 England 204 all out. How China is planning to regulate in car air quality. PM Modi whose global companies with investment friendly business environment. SC pulls up Maharashtra government our stand on migrant workers woes. Gangster Vikas Dubey visited Mahakal temple using a VIP pass. Asian piece of shit technology CEO caught on camera abusing family at a restaurant. Chinese Indian border troops take an effective measure to along LAC China. LAC Live. India committed to ensuring its sovereignty and territorial integrity, says MEA. Warning signs of suicide and how to get help. News brief. TQS question 1. Net profit dips 13.81% to rupees 7,008 crore. The seven-day monarch that led to Kanpur gangster Vikas Dubey arrest in Ujjain. ED attaches our rupees 200 crore asset of Rana Kapoor other in Yes Bank PLMA case. MHA asked NIA to probe Kerala gold smuggling racket. US Supreme Court ordered Trump financial record released to New York prosecutor. Bengal registered highest single-day spike with over 1,000 fresh COVID-19 cases. India-China deploys meet on Ladakh standoff tomorrow to expedite pullback. Average global temperature could rise by 1.5 degrees Celsius in next 5 years, WMO. The saga of Vikas Dubey HT editorial. Chanakya and Trump confuse, writes Abhishek Manu Singhvi. The economic challenge in blooming from China opinion. Creating a genuinely free intellectual environment HT editorial. Soumya's hairdresser और भाभी जी घर पर है test positive for COVID-19. Netflix The Crown will return for 6th season after all. 2 cases of theft reported in Chandigarh. Disclose identify of COVID-19 patients for safety of other Peel SC. 4 Bavaria gang members nabbed in Chandigarh for snatching cases solved. Urvashi to troll on TikTok ban an app may shut down but I have not. Greyhound reviewed Tom Hanks WW2 films given Apple TV its biggest day yet. Abhishek reveals Aishwarya emotional response to Bread 2 trailer. Sanjana Sanghi shares unseen memories from Dil Bichara set. Kangna team on Manikarnika Dolls Kid we'll learn about our hero. England or West versus West Indies live. Holder picks 6. Gabriel for England, all out for 204. He put it away with such ease. Australia, quick explain bowling to Rohit. Hussain wants to ICC to change its bad light laws. Mohammad Shami reveals a big disadvantage of lockdown. Yashir Shah reveals his most important weapon in England. ATK Mohan Bagan likely to keep green maroon colors. Hussain wants ICC to change its bad light laws. China cancel all international sport events for the year. Asia Cup cricket tournament postponed till June 2021. Lessons from Tamil Nadu government school students through TV. Minister K. Sengotan. Safety and security of students our prime concern, says UGC secretary. CBSE result date 2020 not yet released. Notice circulating on social media fake. Government share good news on COVID gap between recovered active cases. I am Punit Narang to come with new update tomorrow. Have a nice day. Thank you.